Hey there, and welcome to your grammar learning journey. Today is day 10, and we're diving into one of those grammar topics that seems small but is super powerful: prepositions. We're going to focus on just 4 simple but important prepositions: in, on, at, and under. These words are used every single day in your conversations, writing, and even your thoughts, so let's make sure you get them right, with confidence. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between two things, usually in terms of place, time, or direction. Today, we'll examine how these 4 prepositions are used to indicate location. Ready? Let's go! In, something is inside something. Think of in like being inside a box. Use in when something is inside a space or object, enclosed or surrounded. Examples: the keys are in my bag. She lives in Mumbai. The milk is in the fridge. I read it in the newspaper. Pro tip: use in for rooms, buildings, cities, and countries. He's in the kitchen. They are in India. On, something is on the surface. On means touching the surface of something, not inside, not under, just resting on top. Examples: the book is on the table. She wrote it on the wall. The photo is on the shelf. I saw it on TV. Pro tip: use on for flat surfaces, public transport, and electronic devices. The cat is on the roof. He's on the bus. It's on the phone. At, a specific point or place. Think of at as pointing to a precise location in, not on, just there. Examples: I'm at the door. She's at work. We met at the station. He's at school. Pro tip: use it for events, places, addresses, and locations where actions happen. I'm at the mall. They're at the cinema. She arrived at the airport. Under something is below. Under means beneath something, like hiding or sitting below another object. Examples: the shoes are under the bed. The pen rolled under the table. The cat is hiding under the sofa. We sat under the tree. Pro tip: under is the opposite of on. Simple, right? Practice time. Let's try a few practice sentences. Fill in the blanks using in, on, at, or under. The books are on the shelf. I saw her the party last night. The phone is ringing the table. The shoes are the bed. My keys are my pocket. Try answering these in the comments. Quick recap. Preposition use example: inside a space. The milk is in the fridge. On the surface, the keys are on the table. At the exact location, I'm at the door. The shoes are under the bed. Mid-video shout-out. If you're enjoying these grammar lessons, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel grow and keeps you learning every single day. Real-life sentences. My bag is under the chair. We met at the cafe near school. There's a gift on your desk. She lives in a small village. Bonus tip. Sometimes these prepositions are tricky because some places use more than one, depending on the meaning. Example: I'm on the bus. Wrong unless you're literally standing inside and want to stress it. I'm on the bus. Correct: you're a passenger. So don't worry. Practice leads to perfection. You'll get the hang of it. That's a wrap for day 10 of your grammar learning journey. You just learned how to use the prepositions in, on, at, and under some of the most commonly used words in English, now in your control. Want to try it yourself? Drop your sentence in the comments if you want me to check it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next lesson. Keep learning, keep growing, you're doing great. See you in the next video.